flopping wet noodles, fluctuating, delicious. That's not me discriminating against you. I just think you're dumb. Hope your day sucks.
Down south and strapped up, car all black, yes, wrapped up and it's gassed up. We ready to roll straight out of church. Lord bless my soul. You can step to me if you'd like to meet him, but I'd keep your distance if you like breathing. We got more rounds and it keeps increasing. We give them out, you best believe it.
What's up, everybody? I'm on a beautiful ride back home after a long day's of hard work. Was it? Man, I gotta say the weather out here is beautiful right now. It's nice and chilly, but not so cold that you can't feel your hands. That's not fun. No, we're not at winter quite yet. We're back to fall number 2 here in Georgia. Oh, this hill is so annoying to stop on. Ugh. I bet you can't tell on camera, but it's super slanted and rough and uneven. And it's super hard to see to the right. I'm glad they finally trimmed the bushes, but before that, you couldn't see at all. Now it's just difficult. Oh, it's windy in my helmet. When I do that, I have something in my eye. I am upsetty spaghetti. Ugh. Where'd my thing go? Look at those classics! Just sitting there, begging to be bought. Yeah. I want it. I want both of them. There's still something in my eye. I kind of want to take my bike across that bridge. I'm not gonna do it. Maybe later. Oh no, it's the Popo. I'll take it easy, Sheriff. Don't worry, I'm a good boy. Yar, there'd be a lot of random smoke that I can't see where it'd be coming from. It smells like burning leaves. Oh no, another sheriff. What is going on? They're out for me today, boys. I hope they don't mind me giving a little... I'm thinking about tinting all the windows on my motorcycle. What do you guys think? Doing 15% here on the sides, 50% right here up front, a little sun strip up here. I imagine everyone going by look crazy, like I'm trying to wave at them or something. But anyway, do 15% in the rear back there, just tinting all the windows on this bike. I see you. Do you want to race? He does not want to race. What does it sound? It sounds like something wet and floppy. Haha, wet floppy noodles. Got a little airborne there. My butt did anyway. Is that a Hell Kitty? No, just 392. I know you can't see it, but a bug just splattered on my visor. Delicious! Hooey, boys! We eating good tonight. Bugs. I don't know why you pulled out right there. That was rude. Ooh, sir. Neato. And or madam. I wasn't looking at the driver. I have no idea who was driving that. I can't get this bug off my windscreen. Or my helmet visor, whatever. Why? Every time I pass that Nissan, it does that. Why does it sound the way that it does? Big Ultima energy. This kid thinks he's fast. And he is. He's pretty fast, not gonna lie. What is that sweat noodle flopping sound? I think it's my backpack or my jacket or something hitting my helmet. It's making weird wet noodle floppy sounds. Flopping wet noodles. You ever on your way home and realize you don't know what you're doing for dinner? And then you might have to come back out and get food? That's me right now. I don't know what I'm doing for dinner. I don't think we have anything. Might have to come back out. That's okay though. It's a beautiful day. Well, hop in a car and go out and get some food maybe. Or maybe I'll find something like ramen to make at the house, because I'm a cheapo. You know how it be. Sometimes you just gotta make ramen. Know what I mean? Ramen, nah I mean. It doesn't mean anything, I just wanted to say it. I'm dying. Today's election day, by the way. I would tell you to go vote, but I'm probably not gonna upload this for a while, so it doesn't really matter what I say. In fact, if you're learning that it's election day and that you should have gone to vote from my video, I feel like you probably shouldn't be voting anyway. That's not me discriminating against you, I just think you're dumb. Or very forgetful, that's possible. Why does the gas prices keep fluctuating? I hear bass. Someone's got a subwoofer. I bet it would be louder if they had a custom box designed by yours truly. Should get little business cards that say you're not loud, but you could be, with my website on them. See, good thing I was watching. I would have gotten hit by that there Honda Pilot. Alright, well that's all I got for you guys today, so thank you for tuning in and watching my video. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button, or don't. I'll just be upset. It's whatever. I'll probably just go home and write a few songs about how mad I am at you, but it's fine, you know? Do whatever, bro. It's your freaking country. It's your freaking YouTube, whatever. If you hit that like and subscribe button, I hope you have an awesome day. If not, I hope your day sucks. I hope you stub your toe. I hope you roll your ankle on the way out. And I hope you fall out of bed in the morning. Unless you're into that sort of thing, in which case I hope none of it happens. I hope you scratch a lottery ticket thinking you've won the lottery and you get all excited, you tell your friends and family, then it turns out you really didn't, you just misread the ticket, and then you just look stupid. Anyway, have a good day, everybody. Bye.